Friday. We are traveling. I haven't started crocheting in the car yet, but I was looking through some of my stuff because I'm trying to get these videos together for you of what we've been doing this week, and eventually I'll get to even last week. But maybe 2 days ago we went to this little park. I don't even remember where we were headed, but we stumbled across this little park, and so we went in, and they had a pond, and there were some turtles and some birds, and supposedly an alligator, which thankfully we did not see. So anyway, I put together some pictures, and well, the pictures will be at the end, but some video clips that I took while we were at the park of just the wildlife. If you don't want to watch videos of wildlife, I totally understand. This is a crochet channel, and wildlife might not be your thing. But if you want to see the little park we were at and the little adventures of the cormorant, I think it's cormorant. We have a little discussion in the video about that. A great blue heron and some turtles. They were kind of cute and fun to watch. So I'll put the videos together and enjoy if you so desire. If not, that's fine, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Found us a sea turtle. I don't know if it's a sea turtle or not, but it's a little turtle. We're gonna say it's a sea turtle because we're by the ocean. Watch the water. There's a bird in here called a cormorant. And they swim, dive under, and when they get out of the water, they have to sun themselves to dry, or they can't fly. There he is. Where did I? Oh, there he comes up. There he goes. Let's see where he comes up. I'm waiting for this one to come up. I hope I don't miss him. Yeah, we go the wrong way. Oh wow, he came up way over here. Oh, he went back down again. He went all the way across the little pond that I'm filming in. And over here is a great blue heron. He's just kind of hanging out. I think he's trying to see if he's going to steal the food the cormorant maybe gets. Let's see. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. So that's kind of cool. Oh, there's the cormorant just up by the edge of the water and then went right back down again. I think that heron wants to steal the cormorant's food if he catches something, because he keeps following the cormorant around the pond here. Okay, and I've got a cormorant over here, Roy says, with its feathers out. Let's go find it. Okay, there he is.
You had him all spread out before you missed it.
I just missed him. I was too busy waiting to see if the cormorant got him. Got the other, oh wait, here's something. Oh, that's just a little bird. So that's another cormorant. And now there's 2 turtles right here. Let's see if we can't find them in the camera. Oh, here we go. 2 turtles in the water. Now I heard someone say there's an alligator around here somewhere.
Zoom on that bird, you can see his wings out.
Zoom in on the bird where it says his wings are out. Oh yeah, you can see it spread a little bit there. They can't fly until they sun themselves. And I noticed, did you see all those turtles over there? It looks like shells. It looks like seashells. It's all turtles. It's all turtles there. That's kind of cool. Oh wait, I lost them.
4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them, at least.
Yeah, there's a whole crap load of them. Oh, something's over here now. Hold on. So the heron came to visit really close. He's like right under me. They're a very tall, pretty bird. There he goes. Look at how big his wingspan is.
He's looking for a turtle, dude.
He's looking at. No, I'm telling you, he's chasing that comrade around. I think you're right. He's chasing that comrade around.
I think he is.
And now there's turtles in the ground in there too. Can you see the turtle right? I can't point to it. The turtle is, where's my finger? Right there. And the comrade just went down wherever this is, where the waves are. I can't tell which one. Let's see if that heron goes after anything. There's the comrade. Did you see it come up? Doesn't hit. Oh, there he goes again. He's hunting. I think that heron is really trying to see if he's going to come up with any food. Let's see where he comes up. He tends way over on the. No food in his mouth. Oh, there he goes down again.
I don't even say it. That's how you say it.
Okay, so the great comrade is spelled, because I don't know if I'm really saying it right, C-O-R-M-O-R-A-N-T. So now you know. Apparently that heron is not going after the turtle, and the turtle does not seem to be at all afraid. And the comrade came up and is going down again right there. So someone said there's an alligator over here, and I'm wondering if this path is his path down into the water, where the tall grass is like split there. I don't know, but I haven't seen the alligator yet. I'll keep looking. Well, this is really good evidence that the alligator lives somewhere around here. So there's that. I haven't seen the alligator, but I'm going to look at a different angle. Well, right past the sign, is this area, and there's turtles down here. But if you see here, there's another break in the grass, and it's like a slide right into there. So I wonder if that's an entrance for the alligator. Somebody said he was under the bridge, maybe. I don't know, but that's what we got today. No alligators. Not really complaining about that, honestly.